Namaskar friends, this implement shown here is called ridger. What is the use of this ridger? It helps in forming furrow and ridge, means it helps in proper seed bed preparation. What is the purpose of ridger? It helps in proper seeding and planting. It also helps in efficient irrigation. Come, let's learn about this implement and its setting. It has 3 furrows, one in front and 2 are mounted toward backside. There is provision of multiple holes which allows us to mount the furrow in different holes. Helps in adjusting of row to row furrow distance. Here we have another setting on the furrow with multiple holes which helps in increasing or decreasing the width of the furrow. Come, let's learn how to attach the implement with the tractor. This is left lower link. First attach this and ensure to install the linch pin. Now attach the right side lower link and then the linch pin. And finally top link with top link pin and then install the linch pin. We attached left link, right link, finally top link. Why did we follow this procedure? This is lift rod and this lift rod is fixed type and cannot be adjusted easily. To adjust this, we have to open the pin here. Here on the right side lower link, to adjust up and down, we have easily adjustable lift rod. So we can adjust and attach as per the requirement. Finally, the third top link can be attached. There are 3 settings that can be done: lower link adjustment, top link adjustment, swing play adjustment. To ensure all furrows are touching the ground properly, adjust top link. Once adjusted, use lock nut to lock the top link. Second setting is swing play. If the swing is more, then may foul with the tire. If the swing play is very less, may affect the depth. So recommended swing play is 2 inch to 2.5 inch. This adjustment can be done using T-bar and its pin. Third adjustment is lower link adjustment. The implement may not be horizontal to the ground. To ensure that, we can take help of the adjustable lift rod. Let's operate the implement and see the output. This implement is recommended to be used post cultivator or rotavator application. Now you can see proper ridge and furrow is formed with this implement. Thank you.